Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a ISDone.dll and of course an arc.dll. When you try to install the game, you encounter this error because of ISDone.dynamic link library error or missing. So let's start. The ISDone.dll and an arc.dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games, as well as a software or program with the large size. Large game or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. Usually if you try to install a repacked game, piracy game, you often encounter this error. So this will eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So let's start by there is a solution for you. You can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory before installation. So you can try to press Windows and R button to launch the run command box here. A command, like you can try to open everything in here. For example, this one, you can try to open ISDone.dll. Click OK. Here we go. This is system properties. You can click advanced, click performance settings, then you can click advanced again and click virtual memory change. Untick the box, and here you can click custom size and fill the blank of initial size and maximum size. So you need to learn about it. You can search on the internet, for example, how the maximum, how the limit initial size or and maximum size for a PC or laptop that only had 4 GB of RAM. And here for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which will work in most cases is 403,000. Here 400, here 3,000. So this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. So feel free to try to increase your virtual memory. Don't forget, after you increase the virtual memory, you can try to restart your PC or your laptop, then reinstall the program or games. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.